What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. We are starting off with my queen, Chanel number 2. She is the queen of the unicorn slime shop. She is my bestseller. This is a really very thick and glossy bubblegum scented slime, but not just any bubblegum, it's Bubblicious bubblegum, so it got that really nice sweet scent. Chanel is always the first one to sell out, even though we make multiple gallons of Chanel, so if you definitely want to go ahead and snatch a queen, then make sure you get to the shop early. I also wanted to quickly mention, before I forget, we are actually starting to sell some racket pens in the shop, so if you want those little mini tennis rackets to do slime pressing, they're actually going to be under the merch section in the shop. Next up, we have Pigs in the Blankie, which is one of my favorites this week. I love it so much. First of all, it is scented like French toast. It smells so good. Honestly, just super mouth-watering and delicious. The texture of this is like a hybrid between a cream cheese slime and also a like very soft Daiso clay slime. So the way that I can explain it is very spreadable and very like thick, but also creamy and stretchy as well. It's just a very good hybrid, and it's the color of almost like the French toast. I wanted it like a bread color, almost like a biscuit dough color, so just kind of think of that. And then it also comes with 2 little piggy charms because it is pigs in the blanket after all. Flamingo Crunch is a new slime to the shop as well. This is a snow fizz texture, so it's very bubbly and crunchy, which I personally love. This slime was actually inspired by a scent that I got from Just Scent. It's actually called Pink Flamingo, so that's what like inspired the slime. Just a brief description of the scent. It's actually like a mixture of oranges and berries, like strawberries and raspberries. It's really good. It smells very sweet, and I just honestly love it. And of course, each one of these is going to come with a flamingo charm. Lemongrass is another slime that is inspired by its scent, so it's actually scented like Avo Bath from Lush. If you don't know what that is, it basically smells like lemongrass. At least that's what I smell when I smell it. It's a really nice citrusy, almost like therapeutic kind of scent. I really love it, and I decided to do a really cool Java chip slime with this. So it has the Java chunks in there, green and yellow, and then it's topped off with some yellow holographic glitters because I just thought it looked a lot cuter like that, and I really like this slime as well. The base is very thick and glossy, so it's definitely very holdable, and this one is perfect for travel. Another slime that's perfect for travel is Unicorn Buttercream because it is my classic buttercream texture. So if you're not aware at this point of what the buttercream texture is, it is basically a butter slime and a cloud cream fused together. It's like the best of both worlds. I love this texture so much. It's very spreadable, very thick, and very stretchy as well. And it's very, very sizzly. So if those are like some attributes that you like in a slime, this is definitely going to be the one for you. This is actually scented like unicorn farts, which is just like a mixture of berries. There's a little bit of vanilla in there and cotton candy. It smells really, really nice. Very, very tangy as well. It kind of almost has like a sour, like sweet kind of scent. It's just really, really good. I definitely love this one. And it also does that really cool like color change effect as well because it is made with that type of like gel food coloring. So it starts off as like a lighter purple, but as you play with it, it gets darker, and then you let it sit in the container, and then it'll go back to that light purple, and you can mix it all over again. And this one as well will come with a random unicorn charm. Carousel Crunch is another one of my classic slimes that I actually kind of forgot about, and I haven't restocked it in a while, so I decided to go ahead and do that for this restock. It is a really thick and glossy base with a whole bunch of jumbo beads, blue, pink, and yellow colored, and I just really love it. It's scented like pink and blue cotton candy, so it's a very nice variation between the two. Just really reminds me of like the circus or even like the rodeo if you're like into that kind of stuff, and I just really love this slime. It's super, super bubbly. You get the best bubble pops with this one because of those foam beads, and it has an amazing texture. Baja Blast is back this week. It was not restocked last week because I actually ran out of the scent for it. So this here is a nice cloud slime that is scented just like Mountain Dew Baja Blast. It's really, really good. This cloud slime is special though because it's actually clear based. So it is clear glue that we use to make this, and it's really, really nice. I just feel like it gives it like another different texture, and it's also a little bit thicker as well. So almost like a cloud dough. However, you can definitely still get some drizzles. I just really love this one, and it's a fan fave. Gummyland is an unscented clear slime. It is like a light pink type of tinted slime, and it has some pom-poms in there just to kind of represent like what you would find in like a gummy bear land. I don't know, I've never been there, but I think they have pom-poms. This is a really nice one because each one comes with a random gummy bear charm, so you're definitely going to have fun with your little gummy bear in his natural habitat. Another cloud slime that just so happens to be a fan favorite is the Sour Patch Cloud. This one is so good. It smells just like Sour Patch Kids. You can either get it in yellow, blue, or green. I always show you all the yellow one because that is my personal batch and I just love the color of it. Yellow is my favorite color, as you may know, so that is why I always show you all that. But let me know in the comment section down below if next week when we should restock this. Let me know if you want to see like another color. Maybe we can add a color to the collection. Who knows? Sunken Cookies is a slime that we started stocking last week in the shop and you all seem to really love it. It sold out actually pretty fast, so I decided to go ahead and bring it back. It is a really thick and glossy slime, surprise surprise. It's really nice though because it's scented like Oreos and like sugar cookies, so the scent is very unique and I just love the combination together. It really makes me want a cookie every single time, and it has the little cookie pieces that sink down to the bottom. It's just a really good slime. I love it so much, and of course it was inspired by glitter.slimes cookie milk. Princess Lolly is another one of our best sellers. I really love this slime. You all seem to love this slime. If you don't know about this one yet, this one is a yellow, thick, and glossy base slime with a bunch of rainbow and pink foam beads added in there, large and small. I really enjoy this slime so much because of the scent. Like, I feel like the scent really makes this slime. It smells just like Candyland. It's just a mix of different candy scents and also some fruit scents. It smells really good. And it comes with a random candy charm or like a sweet treat type of charm. I tried showing y'all in the beginning just a variation of charm possibilities that you could get. You get like a lollipop or a cupcake or just really any type of candy or sweet treat type of charm. Next up, we have UNIICORN toothpaste, which is an old slime that I have not brought back in such a long time, so I decided to do that today. This is a jelly slime that is scented just like mint and vanilla. It smells really good, just like a UNIICORN toothpaste should, and I really love it. It's packed full of these blue holographic glitters. You can't really tell that they're holographic on camera here, but trust me, they are. I love it. It's so beautiful, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Jelly slime textures always really sell out very well in my shop, so definitely get there early if you want to go ahead and snatch this one. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restock. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes I should bring back next week for next week's restock. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!